Hey y'all, hope you guys are doing well today. My name is Tiffany. Today I'm going to be making a rum toddy. I'll show you my ingredients laid out here. So you have apple cider vinegar, honey, rum, Angostura bitters, orange peel, maple syrup, and clove. Now, I know I showed you guys the honey and maple syrup, but I'm just going to be doing maple syrup today, but as a substitute instead of maple syrup, if you don't have any maple syrup at home, you can use honey instead, or like agave nectar, whatever you have, right? People use whiskey in their hot toddies, but this is a rum toddy, so I'm going to be using rum because I like rum. You know, I'm a Caribbean girl. We like our rum down in the islands. I really like this brand of maple syrup. It's a Canadian brand. I love the packaging. I'm gonna be using this one because I didn't finish it yet, but I just got this the other day and I just love the packaging on it. Like, look at that, like the wax and stuff. This is amazing. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna be making some pancakes, pumpkin pancakes sometime soon. Yeah, so Angostura bitters, I just want to talk about this a bit. If you're into like making drinks and all that, you'll probably know about aromatic bitters and the different types of bitters that are out there. But basically the purpose of this, this has like medicinal properties, or we drink this in the Caribbean in the morning to cleanse our system, or if we're feeling sick or, you know, have a cold or kind of sore throat, we like to drink this with lemon. Cloves, I have the cloves in here. Adding that, I have cinnamon here, and I have some tea in here in this pot. So it's gonna be, this is still hot, so I'm gonna mix everything together, and I'll get my lemon and come back and show you guys when it's all done. Amazing.